In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could force shut down an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now there's two methods in order to do this. If your phone is still working and you don't want to use any buttons, open up your settings and go to the general tab and open that up. From here, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see a shutdown option. Select this and you're going to see a slider that says slide to power off. Slide it all the way to the right and the iPhone will turn off. And then once the screen does go completely black, turn it back on by holding that power button until the Apple logo appears. If your phone is completely frozen on an app or the home screen, you're going to have to force restart it. To do this, press and hold the power button and ignore anything that appears on the screen and just keep holding down that power button. After a few seconds, the screen will go black and the iPhone will force restart and you're going to see an Apple logo appear. That's when you're going to want to release that side power button and it's going to start turning back on. It really is as simple as that. That is how you could force shut down and restart an iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.